which way should my storm door open? That's probably the #1 question I get on storm doors. As a general rule, you want the storm door handle to be on the same side as your entry door. Now, that's not a hard and fast rule. I'd say it's about 90% of the time. Now, if you have a wall, like let's say this wall on this side was a lot closer to the edge of the storm door, you probably want to put the door handle on the other side of the door so the door opens towards the wall. The main thing is you don't want the storm door to affect your flow of traffic. So in answer to the question of which way should my door open, kind of depends on your application. In general, storm door handle on the same side as the entry door, but there are some exceptions where you can flip it. You just don't want to have to walk through or around the door to get into your house.